How to set data usage warning for mobile data SIM card inserted into your Nothing Phone 2, and let's get started. To get into these settings, use the quick panel access here and go into the main settings of your Nothing Phone 2. And the fastest way there is by typing in the search settings, data usage, and then you're going to see mobile data usage cycle right here, data warning and limit, this option right here. Once you see that here, tap on it one time and you're gonna see the part that says data warning. So this basically is not limiting how much you can use, but kind of giving you a warning of how much you have used already on your Nothing Phone 2 with your network provider using a SIM card. So maybe your network provider gave you only 10 gigs for the whole month and you wanna keep an eye on that. You don't wanna go past it because either you will have super slow data if you pass the limit, or you might have to pay extra. So to keep an eye on that here, once you're here, you can tap here and set the amount as a warning. So again, if you have a 10 gig per month data usage for your mobile network carrier there, then go ahead and set at least maybe 8 so that you know when you reach the 8 gig amount, you are going to start limiting how much you're using until that month cycle or the usage cycle approaches, okay? And that's where you would go to do it, okay? So you can data warning, and then of course that is that, like and sub.